The future of software outsourcing, trends and predictions for 2024 and beyond. Discover emerging trends in software outsourcing in our latest video, including nearshoring, onshoring, and the integration of AI and robotic process automation. Also, understand the complex relationship between geopolitical shifts and the evolution of outsourcing markets. The forecast is optimistic for 2024, with the US expected to have a soft landing. This allows for the outsourcing market to cater to rising demand as shelved IT projects restart. Even with high interest rates and persistent inflation, there's hope for the future. Bank of America has revoked its prediction of a mild recession in 2024, suggesting a more promising economic scenario. This doesn't guarantee lower interest rates or cheaper commodities instantly. However, it does indicate an avoidance of recession and escalating unemployment that typically accompany an economic downturn. There's been consistent economic growth, lower unemployment rates, and appropriate wage and price pressures. Companies globally have slowed their hiring, thus job listings were down 23% in July 2023, according to LinkedIn. The cooling trend in the job market hints towards a shift in power towards employers and a potential slowdown in wage pressures due to a larger pool of applicants. If the labor market normalizes, monetary policy effectively controls inflation, and there's modest GDP growth, it will benefit companies utilizing software outsourcing partnerships. It could end the trend of increasing hourly rates for developers. Outrageous salaries and sign-on bonuses to secure competent developers are slowly fading. This permits organizations to re-establish their outsourcing partnerships, relying on partners for specialized skills, innovation, and cost efficiency. Here are 5 trends that could shape software outsourcing in 2024. AI is increasingly integrated into systems and processes, resulting in productivity gains and improved customer service. In 2024, AI and automation will create noticeable improvements for businesses. Despite steady IT spending in 2023, many digital modernization projects were scaled back. As confidence returns, businesses will start investing again, reevaluating their digital services and platforms. The recent interest in nearshore offshoring destinations has resulted in significant growth in markets like Mexico and Brazil. While the demand might cool down slightly, it's still expected to be high in 2024. Customers are seeking budget certainty and partners that can meet their delivery commitments. There's also a renewed focus on quality, demanding a better return on tech investments. The war in Ukraine disrupted outsourcing in Eastern Europe. This has led businesses to seek partners in Latin America or Asia, making these regions increasingly attractive outsourcing destinations. Get in touch with Accelerance to help you find a reliable software outsourcing partner that meets your specific needs and delivers within your time frame.